Why use Pinterest, guys? Stay with me for the next 5 to 10 minutes and I'm going to show you why you should use Pinterest. Stay tuned. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. Why use Pinterest? Guys, I want to go into a training that actually talks about why use Pinterest and why I use Pinterest marketing strategy. Let me say this, guys. Now, Pinterest to me personally is still, I think, it's a untapped market. And what I like about Pinterest is if done consistently, you can get a tremendous amount of traffic to your sites, And what I like about Pinterest, most of these people are professional. And the one thing I do like about Pinterest, they have cleaned up their act so you can do things right. That's the reason why I wanted to do this training on why use Pinterest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the old paint to kind of draw a picture to make sure we're tracking on this. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to use paint to create a few things. And what we're going to do is, just to get you a visual on it, we're going to create some boards. And I'm just going to make them square, guys. And I'm just going to put B. And if you follow this video correctly, you'll know the B stands for boards, okay? And you do have Pinterest boards. Quickly. Just want to, and I know some of the people who have been doing Pinterest for a while may already just automatically know that. But some people don't really believe Pinterest is a good platform. And right below my Pinterest account, these are the boards, guys. These are boards, okay? But let me tell you the power of Pinterest if done correctly. And this is what, if you're on this channel or you in my course, I'm going to show you how to do it correctly. Now, what you want to do in these boards, and I know a lot of people hate SEO, but SEO is powerful if done correctly. SEO. So I'm just going to kind of put that there, horrible right here. Kind of do it pretty fast. SEO. Just want to make sure we're tracking on this. SEO. Now, I know in times past, SEO is something people do not like to do because it's kind of a slow grind process. But any business worthwhile is a slow process. And what I use Pinterest for is Pinterest to bring traffic to my site or to my YouTube channel for leads. And then I have a couple niche blogs that I use Pinterest for to actually bring AdSense money in my pocket. And guys, it works if you do it correctly. But if you try to cut curves with it, it's not going to work. I'm just going to tell you. Now, the reason why I say search engine optimization, when you do search engine optimization, if you've been in the business for a little while and you do search engine optimization for a brand new domain that does not have no authority, it's hard to rank. It takes months and months and months to rank with. But with Pinterest, because you're linked to an authority domain, it doesn't take you as long. But to make it work, you got to do it right. So let's just talk about this. And let's take these pop-ups. I should have closed that. But anyway, right here, guys, you want to use a keyword. And we're not talking about a broad keyword. You can't name the board a broad keyword. Let me take that back. These can be broad keywords. And we'll get into some later training where I can tell you how to pick out your boards. This is just a basic, brief understanding why use Pinterest. So you take these boards and what you do, you keyword optimize it for search. That's what you want to do. You want to keyword optimize it for search. And then the next thing you do, and y'all have seen it, you create pins. I might have made that one too long. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Guys, let's go ahead and get back going with the training. You create pins. And I just want to go through this and make sure you just get the basics. And I'm just going to go P for pen, P for pen, P for pen. Okay. This is what you're going to do when you do that. Say this particular pen goes to this particular board. That pen need to be keyword optimized for this board. When you start putting pins on boards that is irrelevant to what that board is optimized, what are you doing? You're letting your competition that you might be competing for the same niche beat you. So what you want to do, you want to do that right. But let me tell you the power in it. Why use Pinterest? If done correctly and consistent, it can bring traffic to your site, guys. I'm talking about absolutely good traffic to your site. And if I'm just telling you that if you willing to go through and take this strategy and do it for about a month, just a consistent month, you will see traffic come to your site really, really fast, guys. But that's the thing people don't realize. When I say optimization, if keywords are on this board, keywords should be in the description, well, the description of this board and the board. The keyword should be on this pins that's related to this board. You want to be congruent. What happened is in one of my courses that I'm taking, she talks about lazy pinning. I'm telling you guys, if you're lazy in pinning, and you're trying to take shortcuts, you're going to waste your time. And then you're going to be frustrated. And if you decide to help anyone else, you're going to pass on a legacy of junk to other marketers that are out there. So the best thing to do is do it right. So why use Pinterest? Pinterest is a type of business where you can use SEO and get traffic to your sites fast, really, really fast. Another one of these things, you want to get traffic sent to either your YouTube channel or you really want to send it to your domain, guys. You really want to put this to your domain. Reason why I say putting it to your domain, if you plan on branding yourself, you want to put it on y'all know what I mean. It's hard to use this thing. Anyway, you want to put it on the domain. Okay. This is why I use Pinterest. You can come in and you can pin every day. And another thing, because Facebook is trying to get away from links in inappropriate section, Pinterest don't care about your links. Now, I know they funny about running so many pins to one single link. You don't want to do that. That's considered spam. But what you want to do, you want to run this link to your blog post, and then your offer is at your blog post, or you want to run this link to one of your videos so your videos can get some traffic and then they can follow you. Guys, this is why I use Pinterest. Pinterest intrigues me because it is kind of images that attracts people to your promotion. So that's what I like about it. But I'm telling you right now, if you chose to do Pinterest, guys, you can come in and you can do well with Pinterest, but you got to learn how to do it correctly. You got to learn how to do it correctly. So I just want to start this training out to tell you why use Pinterest. Pinterest can bring you a lot of traffic to your business if you do it correctly. And this is what this all going to be about. My goal is to plan on creating a course to teach people how to at least get the basics started. So guys, I just want to cut this video short. This is why I use Pinterest. Hopefully I'll see you on the next training. Take care. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.